How to watch live video on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch live videos on your TikTok. So let's get started. First, go to your App Store. After you're on your App Store, search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, check if there is an update available. If there is an update, just tap on update and update your TikTok. And after you do that, open up your TikTok. So after you open your TikTok, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So right here, go to your home page, and on the top left you will see the live option. Tap on live. And after you tap on live, just find the video that you like the most, any live video that you want to watch, and then just watch it. It's literally that simple, guys. So that is how you watch live videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.